Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Gerel Matta. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here, and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetic palette. This is the Weekend Festival palette. I already did one look. This is my second look. I'm going to be doing another look. So just in case you don't want to miss that, please click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. And so yes, this is something that I'm doing in my channel. Every time I buy a new palette, I'm going to be creating 3 looks just in case you actually bought the same palette. You can get ideas and get creative, and yeah, that's it. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Prime my eyes using some NARS concealer, and I will link all the products that I use on this video down below in the description area just in case you are interested. And I went ahead and I used this shade right here, which is the first shade from the Baked Brown's Dose of Colors little palette right here. So I'm going to be using this shade right here, and I'm going to place it on the outer corner of my eye, on the crease, and I'm just going to blend it in. So I have a specific look in mind, and I'm just trying to see exactly how I'm going to execute it. I hope it goes well and it comes out to be exactly what I have in mind. I'm going to grab this shade right here, and I like to start always my looks using kind of warm shadows on my crease, and I'm really gonna focus that on the crease. It wasn't blending all that well. It does have a lot of fallout, so just make sure you grab a little bit and tap the excess. It wasn't blending so well the last time, but I used it again. It just needs a little bit more time. So I'm going to stand this out just a little bit. So just take your time blending those 2 shades together. So grabbing an angle brush like this, and I received this in my BoxyCharm. This one is from the Vintage Cosmetics company. I'm going to grab the blue shade, which is this one right here, and I'm going to pack it on my outer corner. Going with the blending brush that we were using before, we're just going to blend the edges. No extra product. And we're going to continue this process until we are happy with the intensity of the blue. So this palette, as you can see, does have fallout, so you just want to make sure that you do your eyes before your base. Okay, now going back with the concealer and a synthetic brush, I'm just going to grab a little bit, and I'm going to just make sure that this area right here is nice and clean. Okay, now going in with this color right here, we're going to go right here. Okay, and now going in with the gold right here, and we're going to place that gold on the rest of our lid. And now going in with the first shade right here, we're just going to deepen up our crease just a little bit. Alright, and just intensify all the colors one more time, starting with the blue. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab a little wipe, and I have already done this side right here. So just to ground everything back together, I'm going to do a wing, and I'm going to be using the ink liner by Kat Von D in the shade Trooper. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish up with the eyes. I am going to take the first shade right here that we took, and I'm going to place that all over my lower lashes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the blue, and I'm going to place that really close to my lower lashes. So now I'm gonna go into this shade right here. Okay, now going in with the gold shade. And to highlight, I'm going to be using this shade right here. Okay, so now I'm going to finish up the lower lashes with some mascara. And I'm going to be using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. For lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Lip Liner in Spice. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be using Neat Freak, and this is the collaboration Shayla for ColourPop. So yeah, this is the final look. So yeah, that's it for the look. I hope that you liked this tutorial. I hope that it was helpful to you, especially if you have this palette or if you have any palette that has similar colors to this one. Remember that it's makeup that is fun, and if you don't like the look, you can always just wipe it off, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.